Explained. Winding an automatic Fortis watch. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to wind up your Fortis watch. The first wristwatches had a manual winding mechanism and therefore had to be wound by hand after a certain period of time, despite daily wear, because otherwise they would simply stop. The automatic watch has a rotor that winds via movement of your wrist, which obviously is very practical. Of course, there is a certain power reserve connected to this. The power reserve describes the time that a mechanical watch continues to run without the influence of external energy. These power reserve times vary depending on the movement used. In the Aeromaster shown here, a UW50 is installed, which continues to run autonomously for 48 hours when fully wound. In addition to the rotor or the automatic winding, our movements can also be wound manually via the crown. This might become necessary if you, for example, have not worn the watch for a few days. To do so, wind the crown about 25 to 30 times. Don't worry, overwinding is not possible with our movements. Did you know Fortis was worldwide the first manufacturer to mass-produce automatic wristwatches? Do you also have a question? Let us know in the comments. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.